Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the best foods for lung health. We often forget about our lungs, which work tirelessly day in and day out. It's time we gave them the love they deserve. Whether you're sipping or snacking, these foods are sure to give your lungs a boost. We're going to explore some delicious and easy ways to support your respiratory health through simple dietary choices. Let's get started. First up, we have a classic, the apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, especially for your lungs. Apples are a fantastic source of antioxidants, which protect your cells from damage. The antioxidants in apples help fight off harmful agents, keeping your lungs healthy and strong. So next time you're reaching for a snack, grab an apple. It's a simple and delicious way to show your lungs some love. Now let's move on to a soothing beverage, green tea. This popular drink isn't just calming, it's incredibly beneficial for your lungs as well. Green tea is packed with antioxidants and compounds with anti-inflammatory effects. Green tea's anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe the airways and reduce inflammation, making it easier to breathe. So brew yourself a cup of green tea. It's a relaxing ritual that can benefit your overall health, especially your lungs. Let's be honest, garlic might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think of lung health, but trust me on this one. Garlic combats inflammation, which is crucial for lung health. Garlic also possesses antimicrobial properties, meaning it can help fight off infections. This is especially important for your lungs, as they're susceptible to various infections that can compromise respiratory function. Adding garlic to your diet is easy. You can mince it into stir-fries, roast it with vegetables, or even take a garlic supplement if you're feeling adventurous. Who doesn't love berries? They're sweet, juicy, and incredibly good for you, especially when it comes to your lungs. Berries are bursting with vitamin C, which supports a healthy immune system, making it easier for your body to fight off infections that can impact your lungs. They also contain a variety of antioxidants, each with unique properties that protect your cells from damage. So indulge in a bowl of mixed berries, add them to your yogurt or smoothies, or enjoy them as a simple and healthy snack. Your taste buds and your lungs will thank you. Last but not least, let's talk about nuts. These crunchy snacks are not only satisfying but also incredibly beneficial for your lungs. Nuts are packed with vitamin E, another powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in protecting your cells from damage. Vitamin E helps protect the delicate tissues in your lungs from oxidative stress, which is caused by things like air pollution and smoking. So make it a habit to snack on a handful of nuts throughout the day. Almonds, walnuts, cashews, they're all great choices. So there you have it, 5 delicious and easy ways to give your lungs the love they deserve. Small changes can make a big difference when it comes to your health. What you eat matters. By making conscious choices about what you put into your body, you can nourish your lungs and support their vital function. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. See you next time.